Quick update on Bitcoin. Today is Wednesday. This week, Bitcoin is losing steam. As you could see, it reacted from this resistance line, which was from the previous all-time high. And so it reacted, retracing. It has broken below support 1. It was just around support 1 for last 24 hours or so. As highlighted on BTC Daily, there is weakness, right? And before that, day before yesterday, I highlighted about this potential top, right? So at that time I said short term, and that's still valid. It's short term, nothing major at this moment, but indication that higher high will take time, right? So when I say top, means the next level will take time. How long? It depends on the correction. It depends on how deep the correction happens. So if this is up to this S1 or even S2 or even S3, then in matter of few days it should be able to return back. However, if it keeps breaking below this supports and goes into this territory, especially in 48k range or something, then we'll have to be on alert, because then it is not a dire situation though, but it could take longer time in that case, and requires further monitoring. I mean longer wait time, I would say, than few days, right? That means it's a big interruption to this uptrend. So one thing is for sure, that this bounce has ended here. It has to retrace and then we'll have to wait for another bounce. So that another bounce could be from any of this level, and that's something we have to track closely. Now for hodlers, this may be used as support level. I mean, for risk management, this supports. Everybody would have their own goal, so you take this as input, and I'll be providing further information if this, or further support on the downside if these three are broken below. At this moment I don't want to give something indicating it's going to crash, but this is weak and it could come down, right? So we got to be prepared for anything. So one thing is for sure, mentally you can assume that right now it is about correction, and we are supposed to see how deep it goes. If it consolidate within this region S1, S2, S3, then that's positive. If it goes below this yellow line or somewhere near 47k, then we'll have to be cautious, right? Still, it's not going to threaten, because if you look at this trend, right, if you connect this one, it's maybe in this region it's all right, which is 48k range, but we don't want it near this one, correct, below this. So that's something we have to wait and watch, right? I'll provide another update in a separate video for alts. So that's it for now. Let's track it closely and see how deep it goes. So it has to correct, because there are all signs indicating. The question is how deep it goes. So let's see.